what happens to the market? Bababa or tataas? So they push the market to go up. Tama ba? Because we follow the principle, we buy what? We buy low and then we sell high. Okay. So kung nandito yung price, buy or sell. Pagka nandito naman sa taas, sell. Okay. So the importance of this is, pagka-identified nyo ang key price levels nyo or your support and resistance, that's how you normally will be expecting tatakbo yung market. Pagka nandito sa level na to, ang tendency niyan, ang bias mo dyan is, or your expectation is, from here, pwede siyang mag-reverse na. Pag tumaas na yan, at a certain level, pwede naman na siyang mag-reverse. Ang tanong doon, paano nyo ma-identify? Kasi every time, so how do you identify that? Every time, on a previous occasion, nung binabalikan niya tong level na to, yung same price na to, mukhang nagre-react yung market. Hindi tumutuloy. Ito, pataas na eh. Pero bakit tumigil dyan? Kasi previously, ni-respect pala ng market. Nag-react siya. Pagka nagre-react ang market niyan, it means it's a key price level para sa mga sellers. Itong taas na to. Kung ang market mo ay galing sa ilalim, tapos umabot doon, tapos nag-react siya, then that means nandito ang mga traders. At ayaw nilang palagpasin yung price dyan. So sa kanila, this level, price level, is important to them. Are you guys following?
Don't just watch others succeed in the market, be part of it. Enroll now at Legendary Trading Academy and start your journey today.